Hey guys.
How can it be worse than this?
It involves inviting more Sanses here.
My lord will hate that.
I don't like the idea either. But what else can we do?
Okay.
I know just what to call first.
Beep beep boop boop beep 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 beep.
What are those two doing now?
They're reading books. Ah, Tail, hey.
That one, I like that one. That one's is not even a truck, and I have dibs on that one. Could you imagine if they did something productive while drunk? I hear something.
Huh?
Hello! I hope we're not intruding. Well, that was quick. Snails! We haven't drank together in so long.
Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
Moron.
Undertale Papyrus.
I don't believe.
We met.
Oh no, I don't think we have papyrus.
Yeah. What the hell is wrong with you guys?
Papyrus! I haven't seen you in such a long time. Of course, you're excited to see the great papyrus. How have you been? Well, this is a failed universe in its own way. But with my lord here, it's not so bad. Come on, snails. We have to catch up on everything.
Oops. How much is everything?
Until one of us passed out.
Is that a challenge?
You bet it is.
I hate this. Huh? Come anywhere near me again and I'll kick your ass. Oops. You're not buying me dinner first? Okay, nice chat.
Sans! I heard you were having a party.
Alphys, I'm not. Whoever told you that is... I'm going to kill that bastard.
It's alright that I invite Undyne, right? I simply cannot do no! I can't do it! Officer Undyne, no!
Sure, why not? Might as well invite the entire underground... Someone's yelling.
It's not a party until someone spills a drink.
Huh.
Anyway, what's been going on?
Oh, it's been so busy. I'm just so glad to be able to have a drink day.
You should have seen me earlier. Shortfell and I were fighting. I kicked his ass.
Shortfell.
Party time! Shut up to that. I think we should make some snacks.
Rah! Did someone say something about food?
Undyne. So, this one's not a scientist? Nope. Undyne is the head of the royal guard. Oh, Undyne, we're going to make some snacks for the party. Do you want to help?
Of course!
Are you going to invite Alphys?
Should I? I'm gonna do it. Undyne, you lonely fish. Well, not so lonely with Alphys, huh? Alright, Alphys going to join.
Hooray! What should we make?
Everything.
They're talking a lot, huh? Maybe they understand each other in some way. You know what pisses me off? Snow taxes.
Oh, how does that even work?
They don't even make sense.
Hey, is that wine?
Wine with swap here? Whatever you do, don't serve that with cheese.
Huh? Why?
Once I was having a party with some wine and cheese, and he put the cheese into the wine and drink it. You should
be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I don't see the big deal. Hey, if we're all drinking wine, then don't let Red have any. Why? Because he's already a whiner.
This party is great.
Jeez, you can walk in those? Are you drunk or just faking it? I can kick ass in these heels, drunk or not. Hey, if you don't believe me, we can take it outside.
Be right back, I'm gonna eat Oreo. Hola guys, I'm back. Okay. I think we can salvage it.
That reminds me of me when I shook that shake. Oh, you guys weren't there. I sure missed an outer tail.
Why can't it move? Ah! Okay, I'm back.
So, you serious about a fight? Sure, why not? We should discuss from some rules first. Is he passed out? Must drink too much. I'll take care of that. Anyway, what kind of rules? No dusting. You think you think I would want whatever waste of EXP you are? Hilarious. Anyway, we should do something to make it more fun.
I don't trust you at all.
Don't worry, the feeling is mutual.
Yes, mutual enough to kill you. Alright, I'm gonna get changed and so then we can try cook something else.
Please don't. It'll be fine. Oof.
Oh, hey Undyne. And Undyne. Alright, all of us being Undyne is too confusing. So we should have nicknames like the Skeleton Brothers. I'll say as Undyne because, well, I'm the original.
And I'll be Rat.
I'm Undive. Is that a pun?
Alright, what about that one? Nerd, maybe?
Alright. So, what's your name? Data. Beta is such a cool name. There's no way there's a beta name. You better believe it. You better believe it, bruh.
Hey, the Undyne have come with nicknames. We need nicknames. I already have a nickname. It's Alpha. Damn it, how can we beat a nickname like that? I wanna be Mew Mew. What? That's ridiculous. I should be Mew Mew. You're the original Alphys. You don't need a nickname. Huh, the truth hurts. Can I call myself Kissy Cute? No, I want that name. Oh my god, you plebs. What the heck's a plebs? Dresses. Seriously? It'll make it more fun. I don't see the point to having so many dresses. It's not like you've got the figure to pull them off.
Oh no, you done it, bruh. I'm so glad I got to pick your up dress for this. actually look good for once. Nice. I didn't mean it like that. All I was saying is that he normally looks. Not as quite presentable. If you keep this up, I'm going to need popcorn. Don't test him before I get to fight him. Oh my god, okay. Okay, this is kind of sexual, so yeah. Wow. Could you wear any less? Well, actually, rhetorical question. There's nothing underneath. Perfect. You're the one to talk. Okay. Taking bets, who's gonna win? Oh, me! I want to bet on Peppy. He's going to win. Boss will win, Squirt. Well, I'm betting on Peppy. I'm not letting you. Oh my fucking god. Papa. Yeah. Shut up. You guys should stop this before it goes all over the underground. But you're rocking that outfit, fell. Kick his ass! Oh my god, I'm going to die. Oh my god, la, 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 la. I should hire that guy. Okay, how do you do an Asgard impression? How? Okay. I should hire the guy. Click, 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 click. Why are you taking so many photos? It's okay, you'll understand one day. I'm as old as you are. Don't treat me like a kid. Is this a Phil thing? Or are you messing with me? Well, you said I didn't have the figure to pull off a dress, so... If it was some kind of trick, isn't this what you wanted? Will you stop? Will you stop? I was teasing you. I wasn't serious. Why is Sand asleep there? I don't know. Because he was trying Sand was trying to get that goat the goat mama up.
Sorry we're late. Sorry we're late. But we bought ice cream.
Perfect timing. Drinking ice cream goes great with drinking. Wait.
Olive Tail? Oh, hello. I don't think we've met. We have. I'm Dole from Motorfell. Oh, you all grown up. You've become so handsome too. Yeah. Aw, don't cry.
Hey,
Hi.
looks like nearly everyone's here. I'm glad we're not the last one to arrive. Gah! Do you have a name so we don't have to get mixed up? I'm Red Eye. Huh. Maybe I'm Royal Dine? Guard? Sapphire? I don't really have a name either. It's kind of complicated.
Hey! Who is handing out ice cream? Is it free?
Space Skeleton guys over there.
Yes!
Which undone was that? Either a robot or psycho, I bet.
Actually, I prefer ghosts.
Bip, bra, bra. Wait, hey, Peppy, you're back. Did you win?
I gave up. I couldn't fight Phil when he's wearing that.
Aw, I'm going to go get change.
What the hell is with you Sanses and this door?
Told you so. You busted a bed.
Aw,
What's the